Recently, there has been a new development in Nagaland where now from school admissions to government jobs, one document now defines your legal identity in Nagaland. The birth certificate. Nagaland has officially made the birth certificate the primary and decisive legal identity document. Now, what does this mean for the people? This means that for school admissions, employment, especially government jobs, and official records, the birth certificate will be treated as the base document verifying a person's name, the date of birth, and also the parentage. Simply put, that other documents must now match the birth certificate and not the other way around. Because before, the school living certificate, the transfer certificate, Aadhaar card, voter ID, sometimes even baptism certificates or church records in some cases, also including affidavits for date of birth correction, all these were the documents needed, the different kinds of documents needed for be it an admission, sometimes it can be for job applications, but now these documents sometimes had conflicting dates, spellings and or names, creating confusion during admissions or recruitment as well. But on the other hand, to prevent fake or inconsistent age records or to stop multiple spelling or name changes across documents and to ensure uniformity and authenticity in official data, strengthen civil registration and also long-term governance, it brings Nagaland in line with national best practices where birth registration is the foundation of identity. But with this now, the question is what changes? If we talk about the changes after this new development, then it comes down to the birth certificate becoming the final authority. If your Aadhaar or school certificate or other IDs do not match, they may need correction. The other need is late registration of birth may be allowed, but only through proper legal procedure. Schools and departments will no longer accept alternative proof if a birth certificate exists. Let me give you some important information when we talk about this, and that is that the birth certificates are governed by the Registration of Births and Death Act 1969. This policy strengthens child rights, education planning and employment transparency. It also helps in digital governance, population data accuracy and social welfare delivery. So people without birth certificates are advised to apply immediately to avoid future complications. In short, Nagaland is saying this, that your life's official record begins at birth and the birth certificate is now the one document that everything else must follow. That's the latest update on the documentation or legalities on how to get a job, making the birth certificate the primary legal document, and it makes complete sense because it brings order, clarity and fairness. No more changing dates of birth, no more multiple spellings or no more spelling errors, no more confusion. On paper, it's a very disciplined, very modern step.